5 Amazon KDP niches, episode 8. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. As usual, in today's video, we're going to continue with the top 5 Amazon KDP niches of the week. So without further ado, let's jump right into the first niche. The first niche of today is the Sudoku puzzle book for kids. And I chose this niche because it's an untapped niche. It has just 1,000 results, and like I always say, you should go for niches less than 10,000 results. This is only 1,000 results. Click on the KDP spy tool, then click on search and start searching. You're gonna see estimated revenue. Take a look at this one. This is Sudoku for kids, 100 plus Sudoku puzzles, and estimated revenue is $922. This is just one book that is making $922 per month. There are other books like that. This one is $2,000 per month. So this other book right here is a Sudoku book for kids, $2,000 per month. As usual, I found you an interior on Creative Fabrica. Here's the interior I found for you. It's 150 puzzle books, 150 Sudoku puzzle book for kids, and it's just $1. Actually, you can get this interior and all the other interiors on Creative Fabrica for just $19 per month. There's a link in the description. And it is an 8.5 by 11, and this one also has a cover template included. So not only are you getting the interior, you're also getting the cover. So it's a really great opportunity for you to grab. It's just $1, and you should really tap into this niche before it becomes saturated. Before I move on to the second niche, I just wanted to quickly show you this. So it has an estimated monthly earnings of $1,000. This is by Publisher Rocket, a tool by Publisher Rocket. Actually, I use two tools for my research, KDP book research. The first tool I use is KDP Spy tool, which is the one I showed you before. Right here is an extension. I'm using Google Chrome. So it's a Google Chrome extension that you just click. It says KDP Spy has access to this site. So what it does is when you land on Amazon, you click on the tool, it's gonna bring up this search tool, and you click search. So you could search for the books, or you could do search for keywords. So it goes both ways, but I'm not doing that right now. So this is one of the tools that I use. The second tool that I use is Publisher Rocket. I'm looking at the information found on Publisher Rocket. We can see that the Sudoku puzzle book for kids has about $1,000 earnings and 383 searches per month, only 85% competitive score, so it's definitely not saturated. You should definitely take advantage of this. Moving on to the second niche is the vacation planner. Now I chose this niche because it's not only 1,000 results, it's also another profitable one. And I just took a look at the kind of books that I found under this niche, and this one in particular, this looks like a KDP book. Any book that you see with a spine or spiral, like this one's right here, this is not KDP. So these ones right here, they look like KDP books. So look at this one, price at $16.99. This is really hefty royalties. This one is $7.99. So even if it's priced at $7.95, it's still making a hell lot of royalties. So let's just quickly look at the KDP Spy tool. So all the links to these tools will be found in the description below. I would advise you to check it out. So moving on, as usual, I found you an interior on Creative Fabrica, and it's this vacation planner book. Vacation planner interior is just $3.99, and it has 120 pages, 8.5 by 11, no bleed. It doesn't have a cover, so you have to make your own cover. But that should not be a problem, because talking about vectors in the past, and if you want to have book covers, just go here to book covers, click it. You have a bunch of book covers that you can take advantage of. So, and I've showed you in the past how you can change a book cover, like change the word to the book cover to the title that you want. It's very easy. I've shown you that in the past. If you video I recommend that you do. Moving on to the third niche is the sticker album book. Taking a look at the sticker planner book, let's just do a quick KDP search with the KDP spy tool. And as you can see, 30 pack sticker collecting album pages, $696 per month. Let's go down. This one is Penguin League 2020-21 Panini stickers. So take for example this sticker collecting album is has estimated earnings of $1,000. So this niche is very profitable. You should definitely take advantage of it. Now let's see what Creative Fabrica has for us. Taking a look at Creative Fabrica, you can see that I found this interior. 15 people added this to favorite, and look at this. It looks very beautiful. Album sticker this book belongs to, and it's just plain pages that you're gonna fill it up with stickers. And it says it includes 4 different variants of the PDF files, 8 by 10, and no bleed. So 120 pages too. So definitely take advantage of this niche, guys. It's not very saturated, and it's also very profitable, as I just showed you a few minutes ago. Moving on to the fourth niche is the guest book. This guest book, $3,000, 3,000 results for the guest book on Amazon. And this time around, let's take a look at the publisher rocket. Guest book is $27,000 monthly earnings, potential monthly earnings. Searches, Google searches 22,200. Estimated Amazon searches 1,153. So people are definitely looking for this both on Amazon and Google, and it has just 3,000 results on Amazon. And for this guest book, it's a little bit competitive because look at this, we have other books like this. So if you want to get to the first page like these ones have done, as you can see, sponsored, what I would recommend you to do is to advertise your book to stand a chance against books like this. So moving on, I found you an interior and Creative Fabrica. It's just 50 cents. Guest book 8.5 by 8.5, KDP ready, and it's in both PDF and PowerPoint. So this book is definitely just 50 cents for anyone who is interested in fulfilling the demand of these hungry customers who are searching for this per month. Now, moving on to the fifth niche is the graph book. The graph book is 2,000 results on Amazon. And scrolling down, let's take a look at the type of books that I found here. Now, this is the kind of books that you'll be competing against. So moving on to Creative Fabrica, I found you an interior. It's a graph paper. It is 6.6 inches. It's 6 by 9 inches and 50 cents. And also 7 people have added this to favorites, and it's available as a PDF and as a PowerPoint file. So guys, now let's take a look at this on Publisher Rocket. We'll go to the graph book. Estimated monthly earnings of $1,000 per plus estimated Amazon searches of 1,300. So it's definitely a good amount of searches per month. What is there for you to do is to grab the interior and make a cover. And if you don't know how to make a cover, I'll recommend that you use Vexels. If you get a plan, I recommend you to go for the merch lifetime plan, as you have 2 design requests per month and you have 200 downloads per month. So looking at the books, let's go down to KDP covers. Just click show more. So this link is down in the description below. If you want to check out Vexel, just click on that link. So once you click on the books cover, it's going to bring you to this one, so you can download 200 of these books per month with the lifetime plan. So with the lifetime plan, what you do is you pay once and you never have to pay again. It's for life. You're never gonna pay again, and you're gonna be receiving every month you can download 200 of these books per month. Highly professional design made book covers. So what you can do is, if a cover already exists for a book, you can just go and search for the interior on Creative Fabrica. At least that's what I do. So if take for example Trace Letters, this one is obviously handwriting book. So you just go to Creative Fabrica and type handwriting interior, handwriting interior, just handwriting interior, click OK, and it will be brought to pages like this one. So this one says handwriting practice paper 120 pages, handwriting 120 pages, the same thing. This one is 6.9, this one is 8.5 by 11. So this is series 202 results found in 21 minutes. So if you want to succeed with KDP, there are two things that you will do. At least that's what I recommend. You have to create Creative Fabrica. They have interiors for literally any niche that you need. And the second thing that I'll advise you do, if you can't create a book cover, this is what I recommend you do, is to create a plan on Vexels. And with a plan of Vexels, I will recommend that you get the lifetime plan, where you pay once and you never have to pay again in your life, and you have access to all these book covers that you can download 200 every month. So you have the interior from Creative Fabrica and you have the book covers from Vexels. All that is left for you to do is to upload it to Amazon and just watch your sales roll in. But if you don't, or if you know how to design your book covers, that is fine. Either way, it is fine. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to learn more about KDP and print on demand, this is the channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.